On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram DMs easily and fast. So if you have any problem or a glitch with the direct messages on your Instagram, just watch this video until the end and the problem is gonna be fixed. So first thing you have to do, open the settings on your phone, go to apps, go to the apps, scroll down until you find Instagram like this, and after you find Instagram, then all what you have to do is just click on it and then go to the storage right here, click on clear data. After you clear the data, now all what you have to do is just go to the data usage and then turn off the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and re-enable them again. Now click on the full stop, go back and click on Instagram, and congratulations, the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.